In front of me is TCL 30R, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling to hit advanced features. Then choose app lock. Tap on one of those login methods you will use to lock your apps and create it. Hit next at the bottom right corner. Repeat it to confirm it and tap on this security question to pick a perfect one for you. If you don't like any of them, hit custom question, create your own and choose confirm. Wherever you decided, answer correctly below. Hit next at the bottom right corner. Choose confirm. Tap on Associate if you wish to add your fingerprint to unlock your apps or hit cancel. Finally, choose Add Apps and tap on all of your apps you wish to lock. To save them, click on this check mark at the top right corner. If you want to remove app lock from any of those, click on the bin icon next to the chosen one and wait. So now when I try to access one of those apps, I can see that app lock is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!